Alright, here's Logan. He's got a new booster pack. Pokemon. So it is Sun and Moon. And let's see what we got. Okay, he's gonna open it up right now.
So,
He doesn't know. He doesn't know. The Salvador! Woo! Okay.
what can happen?
Again.
Where?
Bobby.
Here's the code. Wait, yes! White code, that means that we get something good.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see, we got 3. So we got water energy. That slam thing, I don't know what is that. Whoa, Glalie. What is that? I don't know.
Patillo?
Patilla. Oh! I got the worst. That's so not good.
What?
This is the worst. Tentaclu. I don't know how to say it. Stuffle. Sandshrew. That's weird. Oh, reverse. Clefita. Please, let's get something good. Done. What?
Whoa!
A GX.
Vikavolt? That's cool, dude.
Dude.
Good stuff.
Oh, fire energy.